Carrots in, peas in, lamb's rested.
Yep.
Yes? Where's your old pan for the sauce? You threw it away.
I can get it back.
Oh, for God's sake. Rafi, why you put mustard with the carrots?
What are you doing?
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, we're losing it. Come on, everybody.
Out.
Hey, guys, seriously, concentrate. Come on, Rafi. Ah, shit.
Sorry, you're right.
What are you doing? Fucking hell. Raph.
Sorry.
Come on, let's go. Right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables to go, yes?
Yes.
Raph, where's your plates? No one's thinking ahead. Come on, guys. Your brothers. Come on. Communicate. Right. Okay, good. Now, off there. Okay, Mr. Gilmurphy. That lamb is cooked beautifully, yes? I'll do the honey. Yeah. Onto the hot plate. Right, guys. Why are you both putting carrots on the plate? Hey, guys. Put the pan down. Let him do it. Ravi, come on. Why have you guys stopped talking to each other?
We haven't got any space.
Well, make space. You're standing there like a shelf in a supermarket. Come on. Table 11, yes? Good. Don't worry, cushion them. On.
Okay,
service, please. Mr. Gilmurphy, wait the plates, please. Keep on. Go.
Oh, my God.
Tough
That was really hard going.
But the real star of this kitchen so far is Mrs. Gilmurphy. Yes? Unbelievable. How are we? Yeah, nice to see you, yes? Welcome. Right, how was your lamb?
The meat itself was a really lovely bit of meat, and I just think it was ruined because it was too salty.
Damn.
The peas and the beans were quite salty as well.
Oh, really? And everything was salty?
We don't add salt at home, so that may be why.
There you go.
Peas and beans were like...
Yeah.
There you go.
We don't add salt to anything,
So
it's...
everything in your life is bland. Enjoy dessert. There's definitely no salt in there, yes?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Yes?
Thank you.
very much.
The vegetables were really well done, the carrots with honey were lovely, but the lamb was overcooked and quite dry, which really spoilt it for me, really.
Right, Christian. Yes? Is that the hardest you ever worked?
That is the hardest thing I've ever done, probably.
Harder than sitting behind a desk and reading the news. Welcome.
Yeah.
Right, how well do you think you've done?
I don't think we've done well at all. I don't think it's good.
But here's the thing. Both of you started arguing, you know, big brother syndrome, little brother syndrome. Why have you got that competitive streak in amongst you?
Because I'm better than him. And I'm more successful.
You showed the boys up, hands down.
Surprise.
Yeah? Joseph. Oh, come on. 18 out of 50.
Oh, my goodness. So you people are quite near.
That
Bad.
is shit. With a capital S.
Yeah.
18 out of 50, not good enough. For dessert, let's get 50 out of 50, yeah?
Okay.
Let's go.
That was so full-on. That is the most full-on cooking I have ever done.
I think I did quite well, and Lisa did very well. I think the boys were a little unable to cope with the speed of doing things.
That was absolutely awful. I hated every minute of it. And I was about to punch Krishnan by the end of it.
Mum and my wife are still getting on ridiculously well, and me and my brother are bickering away, blaming each other.